Morning, friends. It's a beautiful sunny day in upstate New York. It's November 2nd, and I just have a couple of little things that I want to document. The other day we were driving our car and it was very hard to get it to go into gear, and after we got home it sat in the driveway for a little while, and then my husband had to go back out again real quick and it went clunk. And so it was an 11-year-old car with 200,000 miles on it, so we had already put several thousand into it over the period of the last year, and we decided we needed to get a new car. So this is my new car. Haven't had a new car really ever. So we're very happy to have a new car. Now I have to get a part-time job to pay for it. But I was not feeling safe driving around in the other car. I have not been feeling safe for quite a while. So now I can feel safe going somewhere. I have had cars break down in the middle of nowhere too many times over the years, and you know, we used to live in an extremely rural area. We don't now, but and it was scary to always, you know, wondering if your car is going to break down and waiting around for somebody and then knowing who to trust to help you and all that kind of stuff. So I'm very happy to have a new car. And then this is an old like vocabulary bingo card, and it's perfect color for fall, and it matches the leaves in the tree perfectly. So I'm going to put that there. And this is the little tag that came with it, 2024 Chevy Trailblazer blue. I'm going to put it on with a brad. That was on the keychain. And the keychain had a breast cancer ribbon. That's what the keychain was. And I thought, oh, if only it had been a gray one, because my daughter had brain cancer. So, but you know, of course I support breast cancer research too, so yeah, it's not that big of a deal. But anyway, I'm going to put this, we got this October, I think it was October 31st, so I'm going to put it on my last page for my October spread. And it's a funny story about this car. On Saturday night at about 4:45, we realized our car was dead and we didn't want to fix it. And we have several car places just down the road from us. So on a whim, we got our dog ready to go for a walk, and we walked down to the car lot just to look around, and never thinking it was still open, but it was, and we found this car. So it was a 2024, and we looked at some newer used cars, and they were only $1,000 or $2,000 cheaper than a brand new car. And we didn't want to get a car that was as old as the car we already had, so this is what we got. But the paperwork took forever, but putting the money down and finding the car and putting the money down and everything was pretty quick. So I'm going to document that. And I will also want to document my, this is my Thanksgiving cactus, and it's decided to bloom for Halloween. So I'm not going to put it on this page because that's my cover, but I think I'll either put it there, or actually it looks kind of pretty there. I think I'll put it there. And then yesterday, November 1st, which I could put this here, was our first snow, and my little dog is wearing his Carhartt jacket. So I guess I'll put that there, but I am going to back I don't know if, maybe I could back this up with a little bit of red if I have it, or pink, dark pink. But yeah, so I'm going to mount these pictures, and then we'll put them on, and that'll be the end of this spread. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just poke a little hole right here, and I'm going to use a flower brad that's the same color as the new car. And speaking of the color of the new car, They had a black one on the lot too, but we were sure that if we got the black one, we'd never be able to find it in a parking lot. So we got the blue one. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea for a car color, but we figured we won't lose it in a crowd. So I wanted to come back in real quick here to show you guys that I decided to add the breast cancer ribbon keychain to the page. I thought that added a nice touch. And so now I'm going to put Dobby's picture right here. I mounted it on green to go with the green trees. And I found this Count Our Blessings, which I thought was a nice first page for November. And now if I can get the tape off, that would be good. Alright, we're going to put Dobby's picture right here. And then I will also put the date on there with a little label. And then on the, I'm going to skip this page and I'm going to put this here because I thought that looked nice against, that picture looked nice against this pink background. Alright, so we're going to put this one right here. I call it my Halloween cactus because it always blooms around Halloween. But it's really a Thanksgiving cactus. I don't know if it's maybe because of where I keep it, in the sun or too near the window or whatever, but it always blooms a little bit early. I always thought it was a Christmas cactus, and then someone corrected me and told me it was a Thanksgiving cactus. So weirdly, I took a piece of that bingo card and put glue on it, and it started turning it colors. Isn't that weird? So I guess I'm going to have to use double-sided tape. I don't know what this paper is made out of. That's strange. I have no idea that glue would change its color. Huh. Alright, so we have this page, and then I have this Count Our Blessings little house, fall house. Dobby wearing his Carhartt jacket on November 1st. And November 2nd, which is today, my cactus. Now this is the glue I used on that paper. Let me see if I can find a piece of that. Here we go. It's kind of like cardstock. It's very soft cardstock and feels like cardboard. But I put this glue on it, and look at that. Changes it to orange. It's just craft bond glue. I can't imagine why it's doing that, but it did. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're enjoying your brisk autumn weather now. It's been down in the 30s. Like I said, it was snowing yesterday. Today's a beautiful day though. Hope you're well and happy, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.